Jean Kathleen Ranallo, 79, of Englewood, passed away on Wednesday, January 11th, at Tidewell Hospice in Venice. All her life she was a strong believer in world peace and international understanding, taking part in missions abroad to help others in need. In later years she could regularly be seen on weekends standing at the intersection of West Dearborn Street and State Route 776 in Englewood holding a peace sign, smiling, waving, and receiving honks from passing motorists.
A very good peace group here in Englewood, and Peter Duisberg and his wife Annabelle were the heart and soul of it. And when Bush and Blair seemed to be ready to start a war against Iraq, all over the world there were peace demonstrations to not do it. And here in Englewood we did it on the beach. And so we gathered on the beach to do peace demonstrations for quite a while, and then they had to repair the Tom Adams Bridge. And so the bridge was closed, and that's when we started doing it here on the corner.
Oh, okay.
And ever since then, we've done it on the corner of Dearborn and 776.
How many total people were involved?
There were probably 36 at the beginning.
Okay.
And then with the years passing, I mean, that was, almost 20 years ago now. Wow. Not quite.
So but, folks died off.
With the passing of years,
right.
There were fewer and fewer people. And now I'm basically the only one.
Wow. Wow. What's your name?
2 weeks ago, there was another man who joined me. And,
okay.
But he's on vacation now somewhere till, I think he said the 23rd. So
okay.
He'll be back, and maybe more people will come. But
okay.
At the moment, I'm the only one.
What's your name?
Hey, Jean Ranallo.
Jean? Okay. Nice, nice. And so this is your way of saying we need to spread peace instead of war. Right.
Well, instead of conflict.
Instead of conflict.
I mean, I never would have thought that what happened on January 6th would happen here.
Right.
I never dreamed that could happen.
Right.
And,
are you talking about in what happened in D.C. or?
Yeah. I mean, that was a nightmare.
Right.
It was weird.
Right. Right.
We're supposed to be, one of the advanced countries.
A beacon of democracy.
And
wow.
To have that happen. It was just really
scary. Did it scare you, or?
I never thought that my peace sign would be in here.
Right, right. Very good. Well, thank you very much for what you're doing. I think it's a wonderful way of celebrating humanity, and we really appreciate you. And we'll get the word out.
Okay.
Here
if anybody would like to do this, I do it on Saturdays between 5 and 7 roughly.
Okay.
And then on Sunday mornings between about 8:30 and 11 o'clock.
Wonderful. Yeah. All right. Take care. Have a good one.